Hey guys, so today I am doing a Detox Market, a Detox box unboxing. I haven't done one of these in a while, and I just received this box in PR. Super kind thank you to the Detox Market for sending this my way. So appreciate it. As always, opinions are always my own. But anyway, this month's box is featuring the brand Biophile. I really hope that I am pronouncing that correctly. But this month's box also features one product, and that is because this is a pricier product. This is a more luxury brand. The really cool thing about the Detox Market subscription boxes is that you can try products a lot of times that maybe you wouldn't have tried otherwise, because when they do feature more luxury brands, like maybe you wouldn't spend like $100 on a serum. It's fun to be able to try them out because you probably just wouldn't spend $100 on a serum otherwise. I mean, not everybody would. I know I wouldn't. So it's really fun to receive some luxury products and get the chance to try them. If you're not familiar with the Detox Market Detox boxes, it is a subscription box, and the more months that you get it for, the cheaper that it is, and you always get over $100 worth of value in each of the subscription boxes, so you're definitely getting a lot more value than what you spend on it. So this month's box features the Biophile Bio-Shroom Rejuvenating Serum. This serum retails for $148, and you get 1 fluid ounce in here. So on this little card, it gives some information about the brand and also, of course, about the product. So it says, is your skin stressing out? Count on this award-winning fungi-packed serum to deliver a dose of calm. A concentrated blend of adaptogenic mushrooms, chaga, reishi, and tremella, plus niacinamide and vitamin C helps soothe, even, and brighten your complexion. Rounded out by plumping peptides and biohydrators, it's the ultimate elixir to restore a sense of peace when your skin is acting up. Plus, it supports optimal microbiome balance so your skin can defend itself against future stressors. This is a concentrated serum that is formulated with their Shroom Biotic broth, a nutrient-dense fermentation broth made with chaga, reishi, and tremella mushroom extracts and probiotic bacteria. Combined with niacinamide, vitamin C, tripeptide, and cellular biohydrators, the serum is pure biotic youth food for the skin. Some of the benefits that this claims to have is antioxidant protection, boosts radiance, plumps and hydrates, and smooths fine lines and wrinkles. So those are the claims about this. The texture of this feels really nice, and it feels really moisturizing on the skin. Has a bit of like a slick to it, but it feels really nice on the skin. But yeah, that is really it. If you guys are interested in trying this box out, I will have it listed and linked in the description box below. I know that was a quick video, but hopefully you guys found it helpful. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all for my next video. Bye guys.